Once again, Edward here, CEO Editech Solutions, and today I'm coming to talk about how to freeze panes or how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets, not in Microsoft Excel this time around. But if you know how to do it in Microsoft Excel, then it's not far different from how you do it online. But for those who don't have time to research, let me just show you how to quickly do it. Okay, today our topic will be how to freeze rows in Google Sheets. Rows or columns in Google Sheets. Let me put here row or columns in Google Sheets. Okay, this is our topic today. So we shall head straight to our browser here, and then this is our site. As I always tell you, Editech Solutions, Marketing Solutions. Yeah, you can go through it, and then you can have everything that we do. You can go through all our services. This is our domain. Control C. We offer all services. So this is the site, editechsolutions.com. Okay, let me go straight to today's topic. We'll just come and open anything like should I use this one? Then I put Google Sheets. Okay, I'll search by Google Sheets. If you know the URL, that's the best thing, but I'll just simply search by this one because it is very quickly. Then I'll just come and I click either to this one or any of the first three. I'll be reaching the Google Sheets. Now here we go on the Google Sheets, and those are my current sheets which are there. So I'll click on a blank sheet because I need a new sheet. Let's see. It's opening, and we shall call this sheet shall we call it? It's still loading because it is online. Sometimes it might be slow depending on your internet, but it will definitely load afterwards. Okay, now here I'm going to put we shall call our sheet tutorial, right? Tutorial freezing pens, right? That's how we shall call it. Now we're going to have a few records here: name, gender, phone, age or date of birth, DOB, and then village. Okay, location. I want to make it verified. Let me end there, and then I'll have here name Peter, gender male, phone 05 that is the phone. Date of birth will be 09/07/1993, right? Location Dubai. Okay, now because this one we just want to make a lot of fields out of here, sorry, a lot of records out of here. So I'll select this one and copy the same stuff for learning purposes only. For copying, you simply bring your cursor here after selection of where you want it to end. Now for example, I want it up to there. Then I just hover on this small dot. Then once that one comes, you just drag and drop, so it will have to record it. Now let us see how we freeze pens. For example, if I scroll down here like this, I don't want the date to be lost. I want, even if I have a lot of records, I should be able to type in each field in its own field name, because now I can't tell which one is phone number, which one is name, which one is gender. I can't tell. And then I would also love if let's say I'm scrolling from left to right, I should be able to keep the names, the name row column, the name, gender, and for number column. You know, it should not hide. I mean, it should not get lost. I should keep it visible so that whenever I scroll, at least these fields stay there. Now, what shall we do? We shall start with the row. You simply bring your cursor and then place it here, for example, in location, or you can place it here. Okay, then click on view. Okay, hover on freeze panes, then say up to a current row. We have row 1, 2 rows, or up to current row. You see, then we have 1 column or 2 columns up to current column. Now for rows, because this is a row, we shall click on this, which is up to current row. Right now, see your magic. When you scroll, see, the thing stays even when there is no field. You know that, yeah, this is where I have to type stuff. Okay, now let us see how to freeze the row, sorry, the column. These are columns, remember, column A, column B, column C, column D, column E. Okay, in column A we have name, column B we have gender, column C we have phone, column D date of birth. Then these are rows. The rows are the horizontal lines. So a row is a record and a column is a field. So if somebody says, I want to know a record of Peter, then it means you have to show them the name, the gender, the phone, the DOB, and location. If they just want to filter out with columns only or field names, you can filter out with either name or gender. Take note on that. Let us try to freeze the panes of the column, right? I think still I can just place it here. No, here. Okay, because I want to freeze up to this side. Then I go to view, freeze pane, and then up to the current column. So it means even when I try to do this, see, I can go up to the far left, far right, but the two things will be freezed. Alright, so that is how short our lesson is on freezing panes. I'll be picking up small tools like this and putting them online so that you're able to use these tools effectively. I remain Edward Sevume, and I think I'll sign out. Yeah, and for those who don't know me yet, simply subscribe to our channel. You'll be able to view everything that we take along. Let me just answer this call. Thank you very much.